All right, guys, welcome. Today we're gonna see a question, interview question, a code interview question to implement a method that check if is a give string is a Pangram using Java. In Java, what is Pangram? Is a see if you one sentence contain every characters of alphabet. So how can you do that? I start something in here just for us to go fast. Now what you need to do is create a method that is public static boolean, because you're gonna return true or false, and I will call this is Pangram. I'm gonna pass a string as parameter. Now I can return true. So if the conditions is true, we're gonna pass. Now what you need to do, I create a constant in here with all characters of alphabet, and we need to compare each one to see if we have all in your give string. Okay, we need to check how we can the input, the alphabets need to be a character, a array of characters. We can do this way. We can create a for. We're gonna call char and name it item. Each element in here, each character gonna be an item. So we're gonna put alphabet dot to char array. Now I want to check if input dot contains, I need to pass a string value of item, because we're gonna check if the item contain your string. Let's do it this way. Cache string. Do we need to cache? No. Okay, we contain return false. We need to put an exclamation in the front to be a negative. So if this string don't contain this item, the character, the follow character in here, the follow character gonna return false. If you check all and it's okay, every character from here contain or give string, we pass, so it's a Pangram. If not, return false. I have two inputs. I create this one and this one. The first one, it is a Pangram. The second one, it is not. Let's run it. As you can see, we have a catch in here, because I put uppercase, I left uppercase in here, and uppercase and lowercase, because Java is case sensitive, is different. So we need to make sure to put it all uppercase, no, all lowercase. We can transfer like input. We are gonna assign input dot to lowercase. Now everything is lowercase. I can run the first input. It's okay. Is a Pangram. The second isn't. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.